Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about the introduction part of environmental engineering. Before starting that, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That would greatly help me. Next, environmental engineering is the branch of engineering concerned with the application of scientific and engineering principles we have for the protection of human population from effect of environmental factors. Further, it is concerned with finding solutions in the field of public health such as waterborne diseases, etc. It involves wastewater management, waste disposal, recycling, air pollution control, etc. Let us first discuss what is environment. It is everything that is around us. It can be living or non-living thing. It includes physical, chemical, other natural forces. In environment, there are interactions between animals, plants, soil, water, and other living and non-living things. This is environment. And we also have ecosystem and ecology to discuss about, right? So the term ecology is derived from Greek word which means study of any organism in their natural environment. So in their natural environment, we are studying about the organism. Ecosystem. The system of ecology is treated as ecosystem. Next, we have sources of water. They are two types of sources. There is surface sources, subsurface sources. Whatever they are on the surface are called as surface source of water. So beneath the surface, they are called subsurface source of water. We have wells. Okay, it is constructed on upper layer without entering strata. This is shallow well. When we are not entering into any strata, we calling that well as shallow well. Next, we'll discuss about the surface source of water. The water which is available at the groundwater level is known as surface water. That is lakes, ponds, streams, rivers, storage reservoirs, oceans. So it may contain plenty of algae, weed, which produces foul smell, taste, and color to the water. In a mountainous region, water is fairly pure as the river approaches plains equally deteriorates considerably since it picks up lot of suspended matter, clay, silt, etc. So initially it is pure, but whenever it is getting transported from the origin, it is also getting deteriorated because of all the suspended matter, clay and silt that is sticking up. Next, we have storage reservoirs, that is they are the main source of water supply for big cities. Okay, they are the storage reservoirs. Whatever the overhead tanks or small storage units we constructed, they are the storage reservoirs. Next, we have ocean. They are highly saline. The process of removing the salts from water is known as desalination. This is just the point randomly we got. Okay, next, let's talk about subsurface or underground sources. The water existing below ground level can be treated as subsurface water. That is infiltration galleries, infiltration wells, springs and wells. Coming to the infiltration galleries, a horizontal tunnel, usually rectangular in shape and having permeable boundaries so that the groundwater can infiltrate into the galleries. They are also known as horizontal wells, mostly provided along the bank or underbed of a river. Okay, along the bank of river on the underbed side, we are providing a horizontal pipe like structure, like horizontal well we can say. So that is permeable in nature along the boundaries. So that is just allowing the groundwater to infiltrate through that. Okay, so it is just an infiltration gallery. The water is infiltrating through that. Next, infiltration wells. These are the shallow wells constructed in series along the bank of river to collect seepage water. These are closed at top and open at the bottom. Various infiltration wells are connected by pipes to a collecting sump known as jack well. See, we are just as a series, we are just constructing these wells which are closed at top. We are just closing it at top, but we are just giving a common connection to this. Okay, we are just giving a common connection for all this water to flow. Okay, they are connected by pipes to a collecting sump. This is the collecting sump to which we are just transporting this water. Okay, and we call this connecting sump as jack well. Next we have springs. They are natural outflow of groundwater which appears at the ground surface. They are useful only for small towns near hills. Sometimes we see a water fountain coming out from the ground surface, right? So that we call as springs in this. Next we do have wells, and again coming to well we have two types: open well or dug well and tube wells. These are the shallow wells which are not penetrating through the strata. Open well having larger diameters and produce low yields are not very deep. These are not very deep and have larger diameter and produce low yields. So they are generally constructed by digging. Coming to tube wells, it is a long pipe sunk into the ground, intercepting one or more water-bearing stratas. So tube wells are very long and they have deep. As they are deep, it will be penetrating through more water-bearing stratas. That is it for this video, guys. In the next video, we'll discuss about the water demands. What are the various demands and what are the main topics in that? Main terms to discuss. Okay? If you like this video, please like, share and comment to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription would greatly help me. I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.